how to find sold items on eBay? I can show you how. Stay tuned.
Okay, so let's go ahead and I'll show you how we're going to find sold items on eBay. So first, of course, we're going to go to the eBay website. And now we're going to, let's just go ahead and search for Canon EOS 80D camera. Actually, let's do a little older model. We'll do a Canon Rebel. I want to see a lot of sold items, older items. Okay, so we've got a Canon Rebel. All right, so the biggest thing that you want to know when you're looking for sold items on eBay is, first of all, anybody can ask what they want to sell an item for. So as you can see, we've got some variance in the prices here. It does not mean that's what the market value will support. You want to, of course, make sure as well, as you see, there's many different Canon Rebels. So you want to make sure that you are picking the specific one that you're looking for. But the main reason why, how to find your sold items, as you see, I'm scrolling down, I'm looking at this left column. And I'm going to continue to choose my filters. The first one I'm going to choose is used, because most likely that's what we'll be selling. You can choose your different models there if you want. Sometimes I like to keep it a little open because not every time when people are listing things to sell, not all the sellers are going to select all those things. So I want to make sure I can see a broader view of the sold items, and hang with me. I'm trying to get down to it. Okay, so see right here, it says sold and completed items. I always click sold because it's going to do completed too at the same click. And now, voila, now we're in business. When I learned this my first year of reselling, it really helped me to know how to price my items to resell on eBay and how to purchase my items if I'm going to source inventory, because I could see the actual real market value for these items. So as you can see right here, it says sold September the 12th. That's great. That means, and here's another one on September the 12th. Here's September the 11th. That lets you know that there is a high demand for these because you're having so many items sell. Now, if you find something, let's, for instance, let me pull up something I know that usually doesn't sell very well. Okay, so before I change this view, you can see the market values so that you can determine apples for apples. If you're selling a camera that has just the body and the lens, you could consider, if you see multiple listings that are about the same price, then you could set your listing for about the same, or maybe you could do like a couple dollars under to make sure that yours sells. Now look at here, we've got this one right here, but it also has the box, and I have found that boxes, even though they're empty, sometimes they do help raise the value of an item. So if you can have the box as well, it will definitely help. Okay, so let's go to something that isn't as China. Let's see how the market value is on this, because I could not sell these things for the life of me when I first started. And I used to sell China a lot. But you think about, a lot of people just don't buy it like they used to. All right, so, and they're kind of heavy to ship with lots of packing material. All right, so we're looking at the Noratake. Is that how we would say it? All right, so my point is not made, because as we can see here, we have several that have sold in one day. So this is something that you definitely want to do before you purchase an item or decide if you want to sell an item on eBay, because it's going to give you an idea of the market value. So is it worth your time, and is it something where you can make a profit? All right, guys, I hope that helps.
I hope that helped. If you have any questions, please make sure to leave it in the comments below, and I'll definitely respond and see what I can do to help in your individual situation. I've included links in the bottom of the description of this video, and I upload videos for you every Friday to help you to continue to grow your eBay business. This is Michelle with Paladin Global Market. Thank you so much for watching. You guys can do this. Have a great day.